Now, this is going to be a quick overview of an electrical consumer unit. This is just one of many types. It's quite an old board. This is a 12-way board. As you can see, there's 12 separate breakers in the board. Okay, and on the end here, we've got our main switch, which is where the live supply comes in. So I'll start with the supply coming in. It goes through this double pole main switch. At the bottom of the main switch, behind this protective cover here, we have a neutral link which comes out, a copper link which links across up that black copper sheathed bar there, which links to your neutral block at the top where all the neutrals are connected. Underneath the live side of the main switch, which is this side, running all across under all the breakers is a copper buzz bar, and all that is doing is linking down and across into every breaker in the board. So that is the live side. Okay. The top side of all the breakers is the load side, which is basically all the outgoing circuits. Each breaker is protecting each individual circuit. Yeah, like I said at the beginning, it's a 12-way board. All 12 ways are used up. There's no spare room to add any additional circuits in this board. It's got a mixture of MCBs, which are these here. Okay, and it's got three RCBOs. So why has it got 3 RCBOs? Because the board has no RCD protection, which is earth leakage protection. Any additional circuit that has been added, like here, we can see that because it's the new wiring colours, brown and blue, has to be installed using an RCBO for that specific circuit. Okay? The difference between MCB and RCBO, MCB standing for miniature circuit breaker, is for short circuit and overload protection, whereas a RCBO, a residual current breaker plus overcurrent protection, is basically a combination of an MCB and RCD. Okay, so like I say, it is an old board. It could do with replacing. Each individual circuit should be RCBO protected, as it's not got any RCD protection at all. So there's definitely room for improvements on this board. It's quite a cramped board with the wiring as well. It's not the neatest at all. So that's it. And at the top there, you've also got another bar, and that's your earth bar, where all the earths are connected. And that's a basic overview of the board. Like I said, every single breaker protects a separate circuit. It's rated separate because they're all different rated circuits. All depends on what the circuit's supplying. Like there, we've got a 40 amp breaker there, which is if we look at the front of the board, we can see that 40 amp one is for the shower. Okay, it all depends on what circuit is being used for, how it needs protecting. So I'll put that cover back on. You can see the board's well described in a description for every outgoing circuit, which is brilliant for fault finding. So let's say this downstairs lights, if this breaker trips, we can come straight to the board and see it's the downstairs lights. So yeah, that's a quick overview of an electrical consumer unit. If you've got any questions, or especially any technical questions you want to ask me about one, please ask in the comments, and I'll definitely get back to you with an answer. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Cheers.